Hello everyone, I'm Seb from Car Glass Service Limited. We do windscreen and van conversion for many years. Today I show you the latest project. Is a Mercedes Sprinter 2015 long wheelbase, and it's fully converted on the high standard with a shower, toilets, trauma boilers, heaters and many others. Just going to show you in a minute. Let's check it out. This Sprinter camper is for 4 people comfortably travel on the 4 seat belted seats and well sleep on the 2 bed, 1 fixed and 1 sofa bed. Front double seats is swivel for much seating space. The 4th seat is removable and kept in the garage after the travel. Our table is moving around to be comfortably for all seats. Many cupboard to keep everything safe and secure. LED lights in the hinges make bright cupboard interior at night time. Bathroom door is secured by the push buttons to don't be opening when we're driving. Light switch also ventilation system in the toilet. C200 Terfos toilets is turning around to give you much more space when you're taking the shower. Next to the bath door is the remove cassette toilet to clean it. Smith sink and cooker is perfectly fit to our kitchen. Moving top head help you work easily. Two burner rings is completely enough for the compact camper. All drawers and doors, they are secure for the driving. On the bottom we've got the Terford oven as well. On the left, 50 liter 12 volt compressor fridge. Both sides on our van, we fit the privacy sliding opening window with a designer to that vehicle curtains as well. All 230 sockets come with 2 USB socket built in. LCD trauma display let us set up temperature in our van and also hot water in our water system. Trauma Combi 4E boiler can work on the gas, electricity or mix them together. Next, LED controller let us know how much water we have on our water tank. Also the red LED on the right side informs us when the waste tank under the vehicle is full. On the left side, our control board, we have MPPT LCD display connect to our solar system. It's sunny day today, so our battery full and a happy face on the top. Table you can remove for the bedtime, and I will show you now how to set up the sofa bed. that time when we have that parts open, I will show you our heater and hot water boiler through my Combi 4E. As you can see, lots of cupboards make you space for really everything, family of 4. Corridors also have windows with the curtains. Sometimes on the windy day you can still enjoy the sea view in the warm and comfort van. All lead lights in our van is controlled by the mobile application, so you can simply change the color or brightness as you like. Okay, now we can show you the heart of the electricity and plumbing in this vehicle, which is more complicated in the build. On that side of my van we've got the all electrics. So this is distribution board for the 230, which is for the sockets, fridge and trauma boiler. Position 1 is working on the inverter. Position 2 is working on the hookup socket, which we never use. We've got enough power from the solar. We've got a huge solar on the roof for 410 watts, which is completely enough to be out of hookup. The next fuse box is for 12 volt circuit. So spotlights, fans, water pump, all LTD lights and everything. Next one is a break-in for the solar panel, because the on position off you completely cut the power from the solar. That's the MPPT for solar system as well, which make the power from the solar is going through the cables to the battery. Of course, breaker on the way, safety first. We have 310 leisure battery, and that's huge power inverter. So it's 4000 watts from 12 volt to 230. This side of our camper van we've got a plumbing system, 2-bar pump, which is enough to push the water up to the 7th floor in the building. So it's completely enough for the camper van. Valve, if you need to do inspection or something, you just simply close the water filter to catch any things in the water. Another valve if you want to cut the rest of the system to inspection or etc. That we've got the 72 liter Fiamma tank for the clean water. We installed the level sensor to know when the water is nearly to the end and we need to fill it up. Yeah, so we can inspect inside how condition, if it's dirty, if you need to clean it up or everything for the water. But water point we've got outside on our van. Just in case, we carry the hose with us always, also the hookup cable in case we need to connect it to the hookup or refill the water by that hose. That cupboard is for LPG system in our van. So we've got the refill bottle, LPG, and that's a valve for the LPG station, so you don't need to take the bottle out. So just simply go into the petrol station and refill, like for the LPG car socket. Safety valve we've got behind the bottle, which you can cut off the circuit. One circuit is going to the oven and cooker, and the other one, green, is going for the trauma boiler.